As some of you guys know, I've heat damaged my natural hair, but that's okay girl, because we have this beautiful thing called clip-ins. The gorgeous clip-ins I'll be using today are from Curlsqueen, so big thank you to Curlsqueen for sponsoring this video. Inside the box, it comes with a brush, spare clips, and a cute bonnet. The clip-ins I'm using today are the 4A, 4B Kinky Coily clip-in extensions in 22 inches. This set comes with 10 wefts, which is more than enough for your whole head. I shampooed and conditioned the clip-ins just like my natural hair. They absorb water just like real curls, so hydration is key for product penetration. Detangling was effortless with minimal shedding after the first wash. To prep my hair for the clip-ins, I have very minimal leave out and I flat twisted my entire head and bobby pinned my ends in place. The great thing about curly hair is your twists don't really need to be neat, so nobody's gonna see them anyway. Here's how the clip-ins look freshly washed with no product. I'm going to place each weft in my hair row by row, starting with the longest wefts at the bottom and working my way up to the smallest ones at the top. Now it's time to define the curls. Today I'll be using the Melanin Hair Care leave-in and some Eco Styler gel. I start by drenching my hair again. Remember, hydration is key, then applying both leave-in and gel to each section. Then I go in with my Tangle Teaser to really define the curls. And look guys, the definition on this hair is crazy. I'm getting flashbacks to how my natural hair used to be. It's so gorgeous. Now I'll just repeat this process for all the sections. To blend my leave out with the clip-ins, I'll be using the Bread Hair Cream and some Eco Styler Gel for definition. I didn't need to do too much at all since my natural hair blended so well with the clip-ins. And this is the final look. I'm obsessed with how this turned out, and this is definitely going to be my go-to hairstyle for the summer. Hey guys, so I just wanted to come on here and share some of my final thoughts on the Curlsqueen clip-in. I am just so amazed by the way this hair texture blends in so well with my hair, because a lot of the times with these like clipping companies, when they say like 4A, 4B, I feel like it's really like 3C. It just mimics the way my hair used to be before the heat damage, which makes me like kind of emotional, because like this could have been me, this could have been my hair, but removed, my hair will be like this next year, mark my words. But like guys, even as I was brushing it, like it brushed out exactly the way my natural hair is, and I feel like low-key this could be like low porosity hair, because it was taking its time to get the moisture in to the hair. Guys, I just love this. If you see me in this hair, this is my natural hair, guys. Like, this is my natural hair. The clip-ins were, please. I will say next time I will braid my hair down a lot flatter, just so you know, the process is a lot easier. But this is really good. Like, I would recommend this if you have specifically 4A, 4B, where your hair is like literally on the coarser side, but it's like still a little bit curly. Then I would recommend this for you, because this describes my hair texture to a T. Other than that, I'm really impressed. Like, I'm gonna be wearing this a lot, because I don't wear my hair in wash and goes anymore, because number one, they're damaging. Number two, my curl pattern is looking a bit crazy, and this just kind of gives me the wash and go look without actually doing wash and go on my natural hair. Like, I usually just do twist outs nowadays, because it's the only way I can get my hair to blend. Yeah, I'll definitely be using this throughout summer, because this just gives me summer vibes. And yeah, I just want my hair to be this length, guys. Like, imagine my hair being this length, curly. Crazy. But that's all for today's video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.